Hello, I am Ramesh Vemuganti, a former president of Hyderabad Management Association for the year 2011-12. HMA is a leading management association in India and an affiliate of All India Management Association based in New Delhi. Since 1964, thousands of working professionals and employees of Hyderabad and erstwhile AP cities and towns have greatly benefited by attending HMA programs, HMA events, evening lectures, workshops, training programs, and all other activities of HMA. HMA has a wonderful flagship event which is a fitting finale to the yearly activities and happens every year, by which all the hardworking and high achieving professionals and entrepreneurs are rewarded in their respective fields. Today, Hyderabad is a growing city and a metro in all its making. It is on the global map. I request every employee, working professional, entrepreneur, startup founder, artist, professionals from other fields, employees working in NGOs, government employees, government offices, the self-employed, trainers, advisors and consultants to take up the membership of HMA and see the phenomenal benefits that it has to offer. In fact, HMA is so much focused on management and the cause of management that it speaks no other language. HMA pathos, HMA ethos, the systems, the framework is totally management oriented, and management thought process is deeply ingrained in all these activities. Every activity of HMA is unique in its true sense and has wonderful takeaways, be it a student member, be it an employee, an entrepreneur, or everyone sitting over there. Even many retired personnel have attended HMA programs and restarted their careers in different fields.